Hi, my name is Vamshi. In this video, we will see an Android mobile application that I have built. The name is Drowsiness Detection. So this is the app that I have built recently. Let's talk about the functionality in this app. This app will detect our eyes whether it is opened or closed more than 5 seconds. If we close our eyes more than 5 seconds, it detects a drowsiness detection and it will give one sound so that we have to wake up. So in this, we have built two features. One is if you lock the screen, it will work. The second thing is if you use any other app, this app should be run in background, so the detection will work. So this is the app that I have created, drowsiness detection. So here we have two buttons, start and stop. We have to start. If you start, you will see a pop-up called drowsiness detection, monitoring for drowsiness. Here there is a situation call. So you are driving a car, bus, or any truck. So you have to keep your phone like this. Okay. So it will scan our face and it will check for our eyes. Here, if you are driving for a long time and suddenly you are become some drowsiness, at that time it will detect our drowsiness. For example, so I am trying to drive a car. So I am driving a car. Imagine I am driving a car. Okay. And suddenly I closed my eyes like this. So until unless I open my eyes, it will keep on giving the sound. See, this is. The second case is even if you lock your mobile. Here I have locked my mobile, driving like this. See, the mobile is locked. So you are driving. Suddenly you got some drowsiness and you close your eyes like this. Until unless I open my eyes, it will keep on sounding like this. So this is the second feature. The third feature is the app should be run in background and I have opened another app. For example, I have opened a YouTube or Instagram. So in this case, I'm keep on scrolling. Then suddenly I got drowsiness. Okay. So it will keep on giving the same sound until unless you open your eyes like this. So these are the two functionalities I have implemented in this app. One is when you lock your screen, it auto detect your drowsiness, and when you're using other app, at the time your drowsiness, it will also detect. And if anyone want to give any suggestions or feedback, you can comment below so that it will be useful for my next project. Thank you for watching.